What does the Tourette's trucker and Miss Cat do on Christmas? New Year's Eve, not Christmas Eve. Yeah, stay tuned. We'll show you. Hey. Alright, y'all, before we get this video started, y'all make sure y'all smash that freaking like button. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe. You can always unsubscribe later if you don't like it. But if you do, go ahead and hit it now. Like and subscribe, y'all. Stay tuned for the video. What's up, everybody? I'm back. Yeah, we are home for New Year's Eve. We don't go anywhere. We don't do anything. Me and Miss Cat here decided, let's make cheeseburgers. But let me show you what her cheeseburgers turned out to be. I'm going to shame her. She threw me under the bus. I'm going to throw her under the bus today. Here we go.
I destroyed them.
She forgot to put egg in the hamburger, so it's kind of more like chopped burger, meatloaf, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, it's more like taco meat.
Yeah. I'm just going to redo them.
So we have to remake the hamburgers. Not quite working out so well. Yeah, huh?
This is what usually happens around our house.
Yeah, this is how we typically spend our time when we're together. We get in the kitchen, we cut a fool. Of course, we have Thorbug over here. Thorbug's all tuckered out. Everybody likes to see Thorbug with his nice little pink bean toes. Stretch it out, buddy. Yep. Lizzie's hiding somewhere.
I do, but I'm not telling you this right now.
Lizzie was over here, but there's Fat Boy. We got Fat Boy Lizzie. He thinks I'm going to open the door and let him out. No, he's not going to want to go out for long. He'll go out and he'll stay out there for just a few minutes. Okay, come on, going out. Go ahead, buddy. You want out, Thor? Want to come out? I don't think he's feeling it because it's like super cold outside. Get back over here and see what. Let's see what Miss Cat's cooking. Yeah. See, now our hamburgers aren't quite done, but I'm baking. I'm baking bacon. I'm BAKING in the oven for our hamburgers. But yet now our hamburgers aren't quite done.
No, I'm going to redo them.
And of course she can't ever reach nothing.
No.
Luckily I'm tall. I can reach. Hey, stop it. Hers mean. Y'all see the stuff she does for me? Hers always got to smack me.
He smacks me too.
And she's in her PJs.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's the wrong one. You were supposed to.
I'll have to admit, I'm in my PJs too. This shirt right here, 2006 Talladega, and these pajama pants here, I was wearing these.
Baby, it's the garlic sauce.
Our first night,
You handed
we got.
me the ranch.
You pointed at whatever, and I
did
gave you
not.
whatever.
I told
You point. You just pointed
Hey.
right there and said,
Hey,
"Get that."
I did not. I want the garlic sauce.
Y'all see the kind of abuse I gotta take and put up with? She just points up, so I grabbed the first thing that's pointed up and I hand it to her, and then she pours in the
Garlic
pan.
salt, please.
It's not my
Garlic
fault
salt.
she put the
Garlic
wrong
salt.
lane.
It's your fault. Garlic
She
salt.
wants
Garlic salt.
garlic salt,
Garlic
but I
salt.
got ranch
Garlic
dressing.
salt.
I just got her
Thank you, baby.
what she asked for. It's her fault for not looking.
No, I said the garlic salt and I pointed.
Yeah, garlic salt, get it. But she blames me because she just opened up, poured in the pan, and wasn't paying attention.
Don't
to
pay
what
him
she
any
poured in.
attention. Don't pay him any mind.
Yeah. Y'all see what I gotta put up with when I'm home?
You know you love putting up with it too.
I come home and I gotta put up with an abusive wife.
That's not true.
Hers means, look, you see she's
I'm gonna
fixing it.
give him a raw Krabby Patties.
Alexa, cancel.
This is how we're starting our new year.
We have fries cooking in the air fryer.
This is our new year, guys.
Trying to do hamburgers. But yes, this is how we are spending our new year. Later on, we get some butt.
Cooking for you.
I want some butt.
boy. He wants some butt.
I'm gonna pinch that butt. Not that kind of butt. We're just gonna pinch the
Are
butt.
you a butt man?
No, I'm not a butt man.
Well, then why you always messing with my butt?
Because I like pinching your butt. It's soft.
Then your butt.
It's soft. It's jiggly. It's easy to just get a fingerful.
Me too. Oh my gosh.
Y'all see this? These are our hamburgers that we're supposed to put on buns.
We're not. I forgot to
They
put the egg.
started out like this, and this is how the first batch ended
But
up.
it tastes really good. I just forgot
Yeah,
the egg. I'm
it tastes
tired.
good.
And
It
I
tastes
normally
good.
make them right, but you know, I can cook very well actually. But as you see, Fluffy over there, he likes the food.
We ain't gonna talk about Mr. Fluffus.
Mr. Fluffernuffless.
That's right, Mr. Stuff for Fluffus.
Fluffernuffless, however you want to say it. Oh, my fingers are burning.
But yes, they have. You know how they have bacon bits? These are hamburger bits.
Yes.
What we do, we can now we just throw some cheese on it, throw some taco sauce on it.
Chips.
And there we go. Now we got some.
Nacho.
Yeah, we got some nachos out of it now.
We got New Year's Eve food.
As a matter of fact, we do have 2 bags of nachos here. So see, we can actually have some nachos and cheese. We can say the hamburger meat for nachos and cheese tomorrow.
Yeah.
Have that for a New Year's Day snack.
Yeah.
So quit eating it.
I'm testing them.
Testing
Quality
it.
check them.
Yeah, quality check. Yeah, whatever. You're mean. Anyway, y'all, we hope everybody has y'all a good, safe, and blessed 2024.
Happy New Year.
If y'all were out with the fireworks, stay safe. Don't get your hands blown up. We have to listen to it all night long. Thor will be hiding under our
Oh,
bed,
he's so scared.
under the couch later. He was freaking out earlier because our neighborhood shoots off fireworks all
For
year
every
long.
occasion.
All year long. They
It
even
can be-
shut them off at Christmas.
It can be Arbor Day, and they shoot off fireworks.
They shut them off for stupid things around here, so that's our neighborhood.
Well, Christmas isn't stupid. But they
I'm
do
not
it
saying, but they
for
shoot them off for
Christmas.
anything. You don't shoot fireworks for Christmas. That's not really the time for fireworks. Anyway, y'all stay safe. We will see y'all in 2024. We'll catch you on the next video, y'all. Peace out.
Peace out.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.